Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how can you resolve an issue of ifconfig in your Linux distribution, which is Kaale Linux 2020.3. So without further ado, let's begin. First I will open my terminal and check if my ifconfig is executing or not. Let me type ifconfig and is saying ifconfig command not found. So let's try with sudo ifconfig and password, and here the ifconfig is showing. Now let's do it another way, which is ip a and hit enter. And from this command also we can see our IP address and MAC address. Let's try with IP address, and we can also see from this command. So we don't need to type sudo ifconfig, just IP a. So now if you want, you can install the network nettools. For that, type apt install nettools. Oh, there is update in nettools. So let's update the nettools first. Now we type apt upgrade nettools and enter Y. So just wait for a while this upgrading. It's not happening still. And if you don't know why it's not happening, because from the version of Kaale Linux 2020.1, the Kaale Linux has removed the root user. So for executing any command, you have to type sudo for entering in root. From that you can execute ifconfig command and all the command which you want to execute. Let's see if install nettools works or not. Now we're done. I will type clear and let's try again typing ifconfig. No, it's not happening. So that's it. You have to type sudo for executing the ifconfig command. So there is no other option. Or you can type ifconfig a or IP address a for executing ifconfig command. That's the alternative to ifconfig. So that's it guys. If you love the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.